Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. I believe that playtime is very, very, very important. Okay? So, in the, literal sense, for me, my playtime is like my dancing classes or, when I go to Barnes and Nobles, but there's also playtime inside of my business. So, whenever I'm doing the things that I actually like, whether that is actually doing, coaching sessions with clients, or whether that is creating a course, whether that's creating videos, whether that is, editing videos, finding new products, being creative inside my business, I am always trying to have fun inside of my business. And what this allows me to do is it allows me to smile, it allows me to be more happy, it allows me to be more magnetic to people on consultation calls because I'm always having fun. And that's why playtime is super important, okay? If you want to learn how to start actually having fun in your business, maybe at the start business is not fun because you just don't understand what it takes. But once you understand what you need to do, then you can start finding joy in actually doing those things, and the results just start to happen. If that's what you're searching for, go check out the link in the description below, which is a link to my free group called Uncapped Growth Strategies, where we can help you move faster towards your goals. If that's what you're searching for, go check out the link in the description below. Have a great day, talk to you soon, and see you later.